In master sheet you can put a graphic design and this design will be seen in other sheets. Go to master sheet. Only graphic mode is enabled in master sheet. Select the sheet size. Let's create a table containing information about the project. You can use from images. In Proteus there are facilities to display project information. In the help you can search for the letter at. This table shows the method of displaying project information such as project name and designer, date and time, version and etc. Add project name and designer name. Enter project information. Click where you want the project name to be displayed. You can adjust the font and style. You can change the color of graphic objects. Double-click on the object. Select changes just for this graphic object. You can change the color of the graphic text. For example, you can put your logo on the master sheet. The master sheet can be seen behind the background of the project sheets. Every design you put in master sheet is not accessible in other sheets. You can hide the master sheet if you uncheck the rendering. If you are interested in the topics of this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.